Something just entered our solar system, but it didn't announce itself. There was no flare, no explosion, no sudden burst of light. It moved quietly, with impossible precision and speed. At first, astronomers assumed it was just another icy rock drifting at the edges of deep space. Yet the more they observed, the more it defied every known rule of celestial mechanics. This mysterious object has been named 3I Atlas, and its final transmission has left scientists stunned. What has been detected isn't just unusual, it seems almost impossible. Some experts are quietly suggesting what many hesitate to say aloud. This might not be a natural object at all. When 3I Atlas was first spotted in June by the Atlas Observatory, a system built to detect potential threats to Earth, it seemed unremarkable, distant, dim, and moving fast. But archival data revealed a startling truth: this wasn't its first visit. Past images showed it following a hyperbolic trajectory, a clear signature of an interstellar object. Only two others, Oumuamua and Borisov, had ever been seen entering our solar system from beyond. Yet 3I Atlas is different. Its speed exceeds 150,000 miles per hour, and it accelerates in a way that gravity alone cannot explain. Non-gravitational acceleration implies something else is influencing it, perhaps an internal propulsion system or a deliberate guidance mechanism. To understand the implications, we look back to 2017, when Oumuamua made its silent, mysterious pass through our solar system. It, too, defied expectations. Elongated, motionless in rotation, with no cometary tail, yet accelerating strangely. Avi Loeb, the Harvard astrophysicist who suggested it might be an artificial probe, is now raising similar concerns about 3I Atlas. But unlike Oumuamua, which vanished before we could study it in depth, 3I Atlas is still here, allowing for continuous observation, and what scientists are finding is unsettling. Even 4 times farther from the Sun than Earth, 3I Atlas is unusually bright. If it were a typical rock, it would have to be massive, around 20 kilometers wide, to reflect that much light. But its apparent mass doesn't match its brightness. Its reflective surface hints at metallic or artificially smooth materials. The object moves with a steady, purposeful trajectory, unaffected by chaotic spinning or shedding of material. It almost seems aware of its path. This prompted scientists to turn to the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful instrument ever aimed at the cosmos. Using infrared instruments, Webb revealed even stranger anomalies. 3I Atlas emits no expected heat signature from a comet or rocky asteroid. Certain spectra are entirely absent, as if the object absorbs or shields infrared radiation. Then came the shock: faint, repeating radio patterns. Not a traditional signal, but structured anomalies, patterns too deliberate to be natural. Its trajectory adds to the mystery. Initially aimed toward the outer planets, it subtly adjusted, now moving toward the inner solar system, and specifically toward the Sun. While gravitational forces could account for some deviation, the timing doesn't align with natural predictions. Its closest encounter with Mars will occur on October 3, 2025, and it will pass near the Sun on October 23, at twice Earth's distance. Earth remains on the opposite side of the Sun for now, but by December 2025, 3I Atlas will approach Earth's orbital path, just close enough to be observed. Analysis of its faint radio signature revealed repeating intervals that follow mathematical patterns, prime numbers, Fibonacci sequences, even units of time resembling Earth-based seconds and minutes. One physicist noted that these intervals align with orbital resonance ratios of Jupiter's moons. Could this object possess knowledge of our solar system? Archival infrared images show subtle shifts in its structure, suggesting it might be composed of ultra-thin materials, like solar sails, capable of adjusting to radiation pressure. It could be a probe, steering itself without conventional propulsion, decelerating deliberately as it nears the planetary plane. After the final transmission, observatories went silent. Tracking pages disappeared, online forums discussing it were taken down, and some scientists vanished from social media. Speculation runs rampant. Was this an intentional containment? A coordinated response to something humanity isn't ready to face? Meanwhile, signals from 3I Atlas reveal extraordinary possibilities. Spectroscopy hinted at a rare isotope not naturally stable in space, usually only seen in controlled fusion reactions on Earth. Could this object carry a form of energy, a data storage medium, or both? Its patterns resemble genetic codes, and AI analysis even suggested proto-language structures. Some researchers speculate that the object might contain a form of non-biological intelligence, capable of interacting with human-made systems. Even a probe near the Kuiper belt recorded electromagnetic anomalies that matched 3I Atlas's pulses before it went dark. Images suggest angular, symmetrical forms, hinting at artificial design. The pattern of its signal suggests a test, not of space, but of humanity itself. Our reactions, our curiosity, our readiness. 3I Atlas may have mapped our responses, from panic to analytical study, embedding our behavior into its records. Official agencies remain tight-lipped, with telemetry updates stopped, yet whispers of classified briefings and intercepted reflections suggest